Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and today we are going to be training back and arms for day 3 in this muscle building plan. Now, this is a continuation of the How to Create a Workout Plan video series for beginners, where I show you how to create your own workout plan. And if you're interested in following the entire series, go ahead and click the link. In this video, I'll be giving you some important tips on how to perform some of these exercises and 3 tips on how to build muscle faster. So stay tuned until the end. Today's workout consists of pull-ups, single arm bent over rows, seated back flies, overhead press, and bicep curls. If you're following along, you're going to perform 2 to 4 sets of each exercise at 10 to 15 reps per exercise. So let's get right into it. Starting off this workout, we're going to be doing pull-ups. With these pull-ups, we got the wide grip, our feet are going to be crossed, and we're going to make sure we pull our heads all the way over the bar. Now, I know a lot of people can't do pull-ups in this way. Only 1 in 10,000 people can do pull-ups. So here's a couple variations to work with. You're going to have a pronated grip. Your hands are going to be wide, just like the last one. Knees are going to be bent, and again, your head is going to come over the bar. This next variation, you are going to be doing more of a horizontal pull-up. Your hands are going to be in the same position. Legs are going to be straight this time, and you're going to be working to pull your chest up to the bar. This next variation is more of a chin up. So you're going to have a supinated grip, so the hands are going to be turned toward you, and the knees are going to be bent just like the first variation that I showed you. Moving on from there, we're going to do bent over rows. You're going to have a staggered stance, and you're going to be pulling your hand back towards your hip, so the elbow is going to be at 90 degrees, your back is going to be nice and straight, and you're going to be really focused on engaging that lat muscle. It is vitally important to really focus on the muscles that you're intending to work when you're doing exercises that isolate muscles, okay? So keep that in mind while you're doing these and some of the other exercises we're doing. Keep your mind on the muscle. Fully contract that lat and then move on to the next exercise. This next one is great. It is back flies. The seated back flies are awesome because, one, you get a great contraction. Make sure you're pivoting forward and leaning forward. Your head's down and you're pulling those shoulder blades together. You're gonna lead with your elbows on this one and make sure you get a full contraction of your back. Following that, we have our overhead press. You're gonna keep your core engaged. You're gonna focus on pressing all the way over your head, so fully extend those arms, and then make sure when you're coming down, the arms aren't coming past too far, 90 degrees. So following that, we have the bicep curls. I love these bicep curls because they isolate the muscle so much. You're gonna pull your shoulders back, pull your elbows back, and make sure you hold that position. And then you're going to bring the arms up just past 90 degrees. Really focus on contracting the muscle, get a great pump. When you're performing these exercises, it's important to focus on 3 key elements to get the most out of your training. And these 3 key elements are going to help you ultimately build muscle faster. The first thing is you're going to identify the primary muscle group when performing an exercise. So for example, when you're performing an isolated exercise like bicep curls or back flies, you must focus your attention on the muscles that you're working. That way you can really get a good contraction and you can actually get the most out of that muscle group. From there, you're going to move into full range of motion. Make sure you're doing full range of motion. As a beginner, you want to master performing each exercise with full range of motion before adding any partial reps of any kind. Sometimes you can do 3/4 reps, or you can do fast reps, which I don't recommend as a beginner because you need to learn how to control the movement. And that goes into our third and final key point. You're gonna slow down. Slow down your exercise. Perform each exercise with absolute focus and control. Slow down your reps and really concentrate on engaging the muscle and perfecting your form. A lot of people miss the importance of focusing and engaging the muscle, and a lot of times people are just trying to get through the exercise. But I encourage you to really slow things down and really engage with your body and focus on the movement and try to perfect that form. And you're going to see greater strength gains and a better performance altogether. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, please comment in the comment area. Let me know what you think, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, let's keep moving.